How to fix TikTok followers not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok followers not showing on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again. And here just scroll down until you find TikTok. Click on it and first click force stop here, and then go to storage, click clear cache, and now just go back and restart your phone and try again. It's easy. Click restart and go try again, and that's it. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.